Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be having a mukbang with sushi, which is California roll, but the seaweed is outside. And we have shrimp tempura, and we have spicy mayo, soy sauce, and I have a drink. And while we eat, my auntie's gonna be asking us random questions about things.
Okay. Let's see.
You can
Okay.
eat some.
And to me, it's going to get doing it.
Okay. What does it feel like when I hug you?
What does it feel like when
cozy.
it feels
Cozy.
cozy, tight, and tight?
Cozy tight? Okay. What do you think you're going to dream about tonight? Okay, take turn.
Mm-mm.
Oh, we have to eat first. Finish your food first.
Jesus come back on earth.
Jesus come back
On earth.
on earth. Okay, I see. How about you, V?
I don't know. I think it's gonna be going to the moon.
You're going to the moon? Okay, that's so cool. Okay. Okay, if you are outside for a whole day, what would you do?
Oh,
I would go to the park and I would go shopping and then I would go to Dollar to buy some clothes.
You go to dollar store to buy some clothes?
Dollar store?
No, the dollar store to
Like a
buy
candy?
candy. Yeah.
Candy, okay. And how about
Okay.
you?
I would do first. I would go on a picnic. Then I would have to eat something. So I would eat sushi, my favorite, and salmon sashimi.
Yeah.
Then I go shopping and go to the convenience store to get candy. Basically, something as joy.
Okay. Next.
Drink right here.
Thank you.
How do you think animals communicate?
Me.
Um,
Because Jesus is in the house.
no, because they have their own language.
Okay, what else? That's more.
Oh my. Okay, what else, Auntie Mia? What else, Auntie Mia? What else? Next question.
What animal would make a great driver?
Huh?
What animal would make a great driver?
Would make a great driver?
Yeah.
A zebra.
Zebra? He's a monkey.
Yeah, a gorilla.
Gorilla, like punk?
Like,
Okay. What made you happy?
Me.
Yes.
Mom buy me stuff
Mom buy you stuff?
for my
Can
birthday.
you give me some examples?
Like when mom buys me stuff on my birthday.
Okay.
mine would be yeah, same thing as Joy, same thing as her.
Thank you.
What else? Next question, please. Give us the next question,
If you could do
please.
anything right now, what would you do?
Me.
I know.
Okay, think carefully before you answer.
I know.
Okay, what's that?
Eating ice cream and watching a movie.
You want to eat ice cream and watch a movie, right? But you
My,
can do that every day. Okay.
mine would be able to fly.
Able to fly. Where you want to go?
I would go to my friend's house.
Okay. How far is it from here?
5 minutes.
So you need to fly. She's walking there.
And I don't want to walk.
Okay. Okay, if you have a pet dragon, What would you name it?
Oh,
What?
Rose.
Rose? Okay.
I would name mine's Fire Breath.
Fire breath?
No,
No. Fireball.
Fire
Mine's fireballs.
Or
Just name
if
it
it's a
Rose.
boy, Fireball, and if it's a girl, Flamey.
Oh, okay. Okay, if you have a lot of money and you can open a store, what would you sell?
Me. Candy, only candy, and chips, and water, and juice,
Okay.
and volleyball stuff.
What I would do is I would. Oh, wait. Yeah. I would open a sushi area. It's called Faith Sushi. Faith Sushi, which is my name, and I would ask professional sushi rollers to roll sushi for me.
Mm-hmm. Can you do it? Mm-hmm.
Next question, please.
Close it. Next question.
Yep. Next question, please.
If you could ask a wild animal any question, what would you ask?
I'll say I love you.
Okay, Mimi, what would you ask?
You'd ask dinosaurs. What? So the question was, what was the question again?
If you could ask a wild animal any question, what would you ask?
Oh, I would ask them.
Who? Which one?
Oh, I would
Which
ask.
I would
A
ask
bird.
someone.
Oh, I would ask a gorilla and ask them why are they so big.
I will ask the dinosaur why are they like so like why they so like
Moody.
like they roar so loud.
But dinosaurs don't exist. Never mind.
They used to.
But now they're extinct.
Like, and panda is going to be extinct, right?
Yep.
What is the craziest thing you have ever eaten?
Wait. I can't hear you.
Okay, wait, not me, okay? Okay, what's your answer, please? So.
Okay. What would what?
Answer. Okay. What is the craziest thing you have ever eaten?
Like the best food you've ever eaten?
Like the craziest.
Like I don't know.
Mine is,
Pass.
Mine would be only noodles.
I don't know actually.
Mom, I'm gonna get a cucumber.
Mm-hmm.
Can you ask me one?
Would you eat a whole cucumber? Okay.
I'll cut it.
Can you cut half for me?
Well.
What's the next question? Next question, please.
Okay.
Okay, so here's we have some cucumber.
Okay, this will be a fun question. What would you do if you make the rules at home?
What?
What?
What would you do if you make the rules at home?
The ruse?
Yeah, rules.
The rule?
Yeah.
Oh. So the question was, oh. So the question was, what, if you made your own household rules, what would it be?
Yeah. What is the rule?
I would do, you can play, you can do anything for 2 hours. And then you do your chores, and then you do a bit of homework and studying.
Mm-hmm. How long was homework?
1 hour.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You didn't ask me. Ma, you didn't ask me.
Just next time. Okay, next question, please.
Okay, tell me something about you that you think I might not know.
Me.
Something about you that you think that I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
No, I don't know. But
That she doesn't know. That she doesn't know.
I do not
Anyone
know
more?
about.
No, that she doesn't know. Joy doesn't get the question, so I'll just go.
Yeah.
Mine is what you don't get into Mia, or the people that were watching our video, is that,
Have you ever lied me?
huh?
Have you ever lied me?
Lied?
Yes.
Nope.
That's good.
I lied a lot of times.
The one thing that people don't know about me is that I have asthma.
I know it.
But people don't know, so
Right.
telling them. Next one.
Me.
Okay, you ask the next question.
I
Next question.
never. I lied one time. One time. A long time ago.
When was that?
She probably doesn't remember.
Having a trouble with it?
Next question, please.
Stealing my mom's money.
Hmm? Joy. You know Mom can see that. Mom can watch the video and she can see that.
What's a memory that
I told
makes
her
you
already.
happy?
A memory that makes me happy.
Yeah.
Remember when, let me tell you the story. So one time it was Auntie and Uncle Monday when we used to always, my auntie that's asking us questions, and her husband, which is my Uncle David, and Auntie Mia, which is her. Auntie Mia and Uncle David would have a day with us called Auntie and Uncle Monday, and then we would go to the beach.
Mine was
Oh,
going.
and getting McDonald's and having a picnic. So good.
Mine is going to the beach with you guys and playing baseball. The game.
Baseball?
No, football.
Football.
Oh, okay.
I'm not.
What do you look forward to when you wake up?
Me. What's the team?
No, what do you look forward to when you wake up?
Oh, having puppies on my bed.
Mine is having babies sleep, breathing my mouth, my face.
Oh, you want to see a baby in front of your face?
Yeah, I want to see a baby in front of your face.
No, I don't want a baby to breathe in my face.
Oh.
The best things.
But my question, what do you look forward to when you wake up?
Mm.
You don't get my question.
Joe probably doesn't get it. Okay, so the next question.
Okay,
next
this
question,
will be
please.
the nice one. You at the beach, and what's the first thing you do?
Me.
I would set up my mat and then go swimming.
Mine
But
was.
first put on my goggles and sunscreen and then go swimming.
Mine was doing my food on my picnic table, my picnic blanket, right? And then go put my goggles on and swim.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know how to swim.
When I'm in the table. They do.
No, you don't.
I don't know how to swim in the table.
I know how to.
I
So
don't.
cool.
Next one.
And then today, remember we drowned.
Can you share one? Give me one cup. Can you share one and give me one cup?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hubby. What did you say again?
What was the question? Okay, what's the next question, please?
Put it in the middle. Wait here.
If you wrote a book, what would it be about?
Oh,
What would it be about? Oh,
Me.
Wait, paper.
my life story.
Okay, cool. I love that book. Okay, I will read that book.
Me.
Okay, how about you do it?
Mine is like a scary, spooky book.
I would not read that because I don't like scary stories. Scary stories are hard.
Then you got eating food. So much now. Pretty sad. Okay, I will ask you to have a lot. I will ask you later. But now you guys have to eat all of that first, okay?
Okay. What about those ones over there?
You have to eat too.
What about Uncle David?
Yeah.
Or I will make some fun with David.
And my mom and my grandma and Daniel.
No, I know with David.
What? What?
I'm just kidding.
Ah. I'm not eating more, but now I'm joining you.
Bye guys.
You should